Hello to all my artsy friends. If you like neutral Valentine's Day decor, then you are going to love these 3 Dollar Tree DIYs. Also, this video has a giveaway, so keep watching for the details. Now let's get started on the first DIY. Dollar Tree always has these types of signs in stock. They just change the designs with the seasons. I had gotten this one at Christmas time. They are really sturdy. They're kind of like particle board, but sometimes they do bow, and I was able to bend it a little bit to get it flat again. I have a couple of these harvest blessing signs. I think I got these around Thanksgiving time. And these are also something that they keep in stock, these kind of long rectangular signs, and they just change them up for the seasons. You will also need some sort of a little heart and a wooden cube. I used some of the Dollar Tree automotive cloth to make this little heart. Then I just glued the spray painted cube to the bottom. This will be our date marker for the sign, so you could get creative and use whatever you want here. I painted the sign off-white and the Thanksgiving signs gray. And then I marked where I will be gluing them down. You just want to make sure you leave enough room between them so that whatever you're using as the little date counter will be able to fit there. I added some stick-on numbers. And then I created this sign, which I will also link below as a free download on my blog, artsycupcake.com. I stuck the sign down and added some strings from a Dollar Tree mop head, and I used that as edging to hide the border of the paper. Then I used a combo of E6000 and hot glue to stick down those little signs really well. Or I guess you could call them shelves. They're just super cute little shelves. I tied a piece of yarn at the top through those holes that were already on the sign. And that'll allow us to hang this sign up when we're done. And I didn't like that weird cutout shape on the sides, so I added some Dollar Tree ribbon to the edges. Then I ran out of number ones, so I had to get creative, and I ended up taking some letter I's and trimming them so they kind of look like number ones. I don't think it's that obvious, but what do you guys think? Here are the prices for everything that I used in this project. This video is super exciting because I have a $50 DoorDash gift card giveaway. DoorDash would be perfect for a Valentine's Day in at home. 3 of my other YouTube friends are joining me for this giveaway, so here's how to enter. In the description box below this video is a link to the next channel in this Valentine's hop. Each channel will be linked to the next and will take you around in a crafter circle. All you have to do is leave a comment below each of the 4 videos in this hop to be entered to win. You have 1 week from when this video goes live to enter, and we will announce the winners in our community tabs here on YouTube. So make sure you're subscribed and have the little notification bell on, and then that way you'll see when the winner is announced. You may recognize this front door sign from my black and white Valentines Decor video. I am going to use it to trace the heart onto some foam core. One of my pet peeves is a dull knife. It makes cutting through foam core no fun. I make sure to keep my blades changed up, but this one had gotten a little dull and I was struggling. I made these pom-poms with my fun new Pom Pom Makers. I showed the full tutorial on how to use those in my last video, but here is a quick reminder. For my new artsy friends, thank you so much for subscribing and becoming part of this positive and creative community. My name is Maria and I share crafts and creativity with you so that you can create a beautiful home. Every Friday I create home decor videos like dupes of expensive decor, budget-friendly DIYs, and inspiration that changes with the season so that your home can always be on trend. Sometimes I will have a bonus video during the week, so in addition to subscribing, make sure that your notification bell is on. That way you won't miss out on those bonus videos. I just tied and glued these pom-poms down to the foam core, alternating colors as I went along. I could still see the edge of that foam core from the side and it was bothering me. So I used some of that mop head as edging just to finish off the look. By the way, I post regularly over on Instagram, so if you want to be friends over there too, you can find me at Artsy Cupcake 1. Next, I created a white bow and I added some ribbon through the middle of the wreath. I think that ribbon makes this look really dressy, even though it's just made with yarn. And here is the cost for the items we used for this Pom Pom Wreath. Okay, the hardest part of this last project is getting the canvas off of this Dollar Tree frame. I realized you won't see the back, so it isn't necessary to get all of those staples out, and they're really well in there. So I ended up just tearing the canvas off and using the pliers to help get any scraggly little leftover canvas off of there. Now we have a nice clean wooden frame to work with. I spray painted the front of this and the sides gray, and while it was drying I worked on making a heart out of this, I don't even know what to call this. It isn't really twine, it's almost like floral wire because it has a bendable metal inside of it. Anyway, so I made a heart out of that. And I attached a little white ribbon to the back of the frame so you wouldn't see where it's glued down. I have this giant roll of fake pearl string. I am going to use this to finish off the front of the frame. So the pearls I used around the edge were from a roll of pearls that I found on Amazon for about $10. There are so many, they will last a really long time. But I have seen these fake pearls at Dollar Tree, and I saw them in the floral section. They come in a bag with different sizes, so you could use those if you want the cheaper option for this project. If you liked these DIYs, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment below and then click on the link to hop to the next video so that you can be entered to win that $50 DoorDash gift card. I hope you have a very creative day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!